Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to update LinkedIn profile without notifying your network on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to open your LinkedIn apps. Here I'm gonna open it first, and you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And after here, if you want to update your LinkedIn profile without notifying your network, you just have to go to the settings on your profile. Here I'm gonna tap on my profile at the top left in the corner, and now go to the settings. And then in the settings page, we'll see the option which is visibility. Just go ahead and tap on it. And after here, you just have to scroll it down again until we'll find here the visibility of your LinkedIn activity. So if you don't want to notifying your network if you update your LinkedIn profile, here you just have to turn off the settings to share jobs change, education change, and work anniversaries from profile. You just have to tap on it first, and now tap on the toggle beside share key profile updates. Now I'm gonna tap on it, and it will be turned off, yeah guys. This will prevent automatic notifications for significant change. So changes are still visible to anyone who views your profile directly, guys. And yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.